Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you my experience after taking Fatsorb supplement for 4 months. Fatsorb is an organic fat burner absorber, natural slimming, helps diet and weight loss. It is a pure, natural, healthy, and safe slimming product with no negative side effects. Here are Fatsorb active ingredients. First, L-carnitine, a known fat burner and energy booster. It breaks down the fat into fatty acids, which body converts into energy. Second, inulin fiber. Found in various plants, this soluble fiber source supports good stomach bacteria, which leads to improved digestion, immunity, and overall health. Green tea extract. It is known for being packed with antioxidants. However, it is good to note that it's a good natural source of energy. Vitamin C, an essential vitamin which has been linked to countless impressive health benefits. Your body shouldn't miss out on this. Direction. Depending on the degree of oil ingested, you may take up to 2 capsules of Fatsorb after any major meal. Here are some of its health benefits. Here's my result after taking it for 4 months. Let me show you a time-lapse of my fitness journey while taking Fatsorb, doing calorie deficit, intermittent fasting, and home workout. I usually take Fatsorb after lunch and dinner, and I could say it's really effective. It's claiming that it doesn't have side effects, but somehow whenever I take Fatsorb, I feel a bit dizzy sometimes, but very tolerable. And your body feels hot and you get really sweaty.
Many months later,
I stopped taking Fatsorb on my 5th month and started to hit the gym. On my 7th month, I hit 62 kg. My target weight is 61 kg with lean muscle body. Overall experience, it was worth the try and effective. I highly recommend it. I'll give it a 9/10 rating based on my result.